Okay, just want to show you this 5-star 35 to 1.5 aperture with the lens is 28 to 40 lens. One thing I noticed is that there's some kind of scratch in front. I tried cleaning it off but I can't. So yeah, just so you know, you take this into consideration when you purchase this. It's a slight scratch. Then show you the aesthetics first. There you go. So this lens can do macro. One thing I like about all these lenses is that they all can do macro, so it's interesting. Okay, so this is the aesthetics. The front glass. Man, the scratch really sayang. You know this lens very nice. Okay, so gonna mount this lens onto the adapter I have. It's a FD lens. So yep, f16. Can tune down. Let's see the blade. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the shine test to see if there's any biological or organic growth inside the glass. You shine from the front and see. Okay. So for control subject, I'm gonna show you the Yongnuo 51.8. So this is a control. So you can actually make a comparison between the lenses. This Yongnuo 1.8 is a new lens, so I assume that it's good. It's fine. So you can compare. Yep. So there you go. So this lens, gonna sell it off at a very affordable price. Thanks everyone.